is amazing. I am not even joking. There is so many different options for the colors, and it's so good. And this is one of my favorites, as you can see. And this is actually my favorite one. It's like a wave. This is very good. I love it. It has blue switches, and let me show you that. It does work for Fortnite, like great, like no delay or anything. Solo review saying it doesn't, but let me show you. So basically, it's blue switches right there, and it's actually really good. It sounds amazing. I have noise canceling headphones, so like I don't really hear it, but when I do, it makes me so happy. So basically, I'm just gonna show you guys like how it works and stuff. You already know how it works, but basically I can build a lot faster with this. It's really good. Even if you're not on Fortnite and if like you don't play, I'd highly recommend this. This is like an amazing keyboard. For the price for a 60% keyboard, this is actually really good. Cause I have never seen like a 60% mechanical keyboard like this good. Like it's so good, like I can't even explain it. And basically it's not even that bad. There are a couple fixes that could be good for it, like mainly the RGB on it, but I mean there is another version of this, but I'd highly recommend this for $50. It reminds me of the Ducky 1-2 Mini just a little bit, but this is amazing. I would get this like 100% because I just love it in general, because I was scared that this wouldn't work for Xbox, but it actually does. There's a lot of YouTube videos on it, and in 2020 right now for all the new keyboards coming out, this is #1 on my list. So I would just really recommend it. Just thought I'd leave a review, but yeah.
Here I have the KLUDGE RK61 keyboard, the wireless one. Right now it's charging. This is a great keyboard. Sometimes I have some issues with it. The only issue that I had so far in the past couple of days is that, let's say I type something or press something, the key gets stuck and it keeps typing that letter. Let's say I press X, it's gonna keep pressing X. So it only happens sometimes. This is why I'm only giving a 4-star. If that wasn't the issue, I would have given it a 5-star.